So Austin Matthews, first round of 157 against May Bethea of Penn. Just go through your thoughts and everything, process. Obviously, you can take a lot of positives out of it. You were down 7-4 at one point, 4-1 in the beginning. Just tell us about your efforts.
I came out and my stance was too high. I gave him too many points too early. I couldn't come back, but not much else besides just get ready for the next one, I guess. I mean, there were positives. I got to my feet, but besides that, I didn't perform well in neutral. I wasn't on top very long to know anything that I could do. So it's not much. There's a couple positives, but other than that, just have to get ready for the next round.
Excellent. And then this is your first time with Edinboro in the NCAA. Last time you were with Clarion in 2014. Was there any particular difference from 2 years ago to now?
I'm a bigger 57-pounder, but he still felt pretty big too. But besides just having better training beforehand, last time I was here with a different school, I got paid first round. So I mean, it's not much else.
All right, thanks a lot, and we'll catch you later.